Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Amazon Echo device settings on replacement handset, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your Amazon Echo device settings, begin by ensuring that you have the Amazon Alexa app installed on your replacement handset. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your new device. Sign in to your Amazon account using the same credentials you used on your previous handset. Once logged in, tap on the Devices tab located at the bottom of the screen. Select Echo and Alexa at the top of the Devices page to view your Echo devices. Choose the Echo device you want to backup settings for. Scroll down to find options such as Device Settings. Access the Device Settings menu to review your current settings. Take note of any personalized settings you wish to backup, such as routines or custom voice profiles. Next, check if you have any linked smart home devices under the Devices settings. Make a list of these devices for easy relinking later. Now, move to Routines setup in the app to ensure they are also backed up. Tap on Routines found in the main menu. Review each routine and take screenshots or notes of their configurations. Head to the Settings menu located at the bottom right corner of the app. Select Alexa Privacy to access your privacy settings. Look for options to review and delete voice recordings if necessary. Consider adjusting settings like voice purchasing, drop-in features, and device privacy according to your preferences. Once you have everything documented, return to the Devices tab. To add your Echo device to the new handset, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Select Add Device from the drop-down menu. Choose Amazon Echo and follow the on-screen instructions to discover your device. Set up the device by connecting it to your Wi-Fi network and completing the configuration. After setup, go to the Devices tab again to add any smart home devices back. Relink each smart device using the details you previously noted. Visit the Routines section to recreate your routines manually, using your backups as references. Double-check your preference settings and voice profiles to ensure everything is as it was. Perform a final test to confirm that your Echo device responds correctly to commands. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.